Sleeping, try these 5 best essential oils for sleep. Modern technology and the ramped up pace of society that goes along with it has caused people to willingly abandon the proper amount of sleep for any number of reasons. Health professionals recommended 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to avoid serious long-term health issues that stem from added stress on the heart. There is good news though. If you suffer from lack of sleep, it is not necessary to resort to prescription sleep aids. Cause addiction and in some cases impair judgment. Diffusing essential oils before bed may be the natural remedy that you need but have not known about until now. These oils can lower stress levels and carry no harmful side effects. So which oils are good for treating sleep disorders and how do you diffuse them? Let us start with the diffusing. First, if you plan on buying a diffuser, find out that shuts off by itself so that you can drift off to sleep with no worries. If you already have a diffuser and it does not turn by itself, then be careful not to forget to turn it off before you go to sleep. Now let us take a look at the oils that can prepare you for your long-awaited trip to La La Land. High on the list needs to be lavender essential oil. It is a good all-purpose essential oil that works wonders on anxiety and promotes health relaxation. In the same category with the floral lavender, Roman chamomile also stand out as an effective stress reducer. It has calming effect and has been used by those who suffer from insomnia for quite some time. Rounding out this group of florals comes an essential oil from the far Ylang Yang. It's great for those who have panic attacks and are constantly on edge. Aside from the florals, we would recommend one citrus-based essential oil and one that originates from a spice, bergamot. Bucking the trend of most citrus essential oils that stimulate the senses has the opposite effect. It has a great smell, but its ability to help you relax will be the reason you keep it around.